Hi there. My name is Rene Rubacava. I am currently a software engineer for Esri, doing web development and work on the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. Prior to that, I was a GIS analyst and developer for local government and did that for about 13 years. Started out working with Esri Technologies back around 2002, I believe. And I did a lot of GIS analyst work, and from there I started doing GIS development. Over the years, I've done some contract work for City of LA. I've done some consulting work for various clients. Most of my work over the years has been focused on web development and building out custom applications. And these past few years, I've been focusing on the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. I've also been an active blogger for many years at odo.net, blogging about ArcGIS technology, how you can integrate it with other technologies and other web development frameworks and libraries, and doing a lot of work. Currently focusing on working with the latest ArcGIS API 4 for JavaScript. The goals of this course are to introduce you to ArcGIS Online and the ArcGIS platform. In this course, we're going to look at how you can upload data and use existing data inside of ArcGIS Online, how you can publish your own services in ArcGIS Online, and combine all this information to create your own web maps. And we're also going to take a look at how you can create 3D scenes with the scene viewer in the online platform. And then we're going to look at some techniques you can use to analyze your data, to create new data sets from existing data, and how you can explore the different data sets with these smart mapping tools in the platform. And then once we've done all that, we're going to look at how you can leverage the application templates and web app builder in ArcGIS Online to be able to publish your own applications so that you can share all this data that you've put together and your different web maps. Welcome to Section 1, Introducing ArcGIS Online. In this section, we're going to look at how to register for a free ArcGIS Online developer account. That account's going to give you some benefits as well as credits you can use inside of the ArcGIS Online platform. We're also going to take a look at what are online items and what you can do with those items and how you can view some of the details for those. And then we're going to look at how you can create a web map using items that are inside of ArcGIS Online. Welcome to Section 2, Upload and Customize Data. This section will cover how you can upload data into the ArcGIS Online platform. It'll also cover the different types of data that can be uploaded, as well as how you can quickly turn that data into a hosted feature service, and how you can provide tags so that you can search for them, and also a description. We're also going to show how you can enrich that data with the ArcGIS platform to add even more value to your data. Then we're going to cover how you can use the scene viewer to create a 3D representation of the data that you put into the platform. Welcome to Section 3, Analyzing Data. This section will cover how you can use the various analysis tools in the ArcGIS Online platform. You're going to learn how to leverage data that's inside Living Atlas to help you perform your analysis. You're also going to learn how to create buffers and aggregate data, as well as perform some interpolation analysis. Then we're going to learn how to use the smart mapping tools to explore the data and create powerful visualizations. Welcome to Section 4, Publishing. In this section, we're going to walk you through how to publish your items and web maps in ArcGIS Online. We're going to discuss the pros and cons of publishing data as either a feature service or a tiled service, and then we're going to walk you through the steps needed to be able to publish your data as a tile service and share those tiles. We're also going to cover how you can set up who has permission to view your shared items, as well as how to add authentication to your own applications. Welcome to Section 5, Application Templates. In this section, we're going to walk you through how to use the application templates available on the platform so that you can share your web maps. We're going to look at some of the basic templates that are available inside of ArcGIS Online, as well as things you can do with something more customizable like the Web App Builder to build a custom map you can share with users. We're also going to take a look at story maps so that you can learn how to be able to share your web maps inside of a story map template. So this course is for anyone who is interested in using the ArcGIS platform and ArcGIS Online to create and publish data. You don't need any prior experience with GIS. You just simply need to have a desire to learn how to use the platform so that you can create interesting and powerful maps. The platform is a great tool that you can use to publish relevant and useful spatial data. It allows you to visualize your data in a meaningful way and then be able to share that data as web maps. And you can even share those web maps in focused applications that are available as templates in the platform.